Okay, I have made it to Big Sky, Montana. I'm so excited to be here. The view is absolutely stunning. Let me show you real quick. So pretty. We get like a beautiful mountain view and the weather is perfect today. It's about, I want to say, mid to high 60s, which sound low, but it's actually fantastic. And I'm just waiting for the rest of the party to arrive. I am the first one here at the Airbnb that we're staying at. Here is the hangout space, sitting space, I'm not sure. This incredible kitchen. Look at this island table thing. It's amazing. And the living room, I love that fireplace, so cool. There's like an outdoor dining area. Oh, this is the mini room. This is the room that Everett was supposed to stay in because that's a pullout. And here is one of the bedrooms. Super cute. Bathroom. Super cute. A bedroom that is right outside or right beside this outdoor hangout space with a hot tub, so cool. And then like a indoor-outdoor hangout space. And today's kind of a chill day. Tomorrow is the big event, the wedding that we're gonna be doing live art for. And then on Sunday, we are going down to Yellowstone to explore the national park, which I'm so excited about. And then I fly back out on Monday.
That's awesome. We have to keep this in our house forever now. Here's the last one.
I just wanted to walk. We're good.
Good? I mean, I've just been taking videos, so.
Hello, I made it to Yellowstone National Park. I'm doing a solo trip here because just lots of different things, but yeah, I'm actually really excited to do a solo trip because I just kind of want to explore and maybe do some paintings. I brought my watercolors with me and maybe even do some journaling, and it's just so gorgeous. The Grand Prismatic Springs is right over there, if you can see all the smoke, but there are some over there that look way less crowded, so I'm gonna just check it out and just go on this nice little walk. And I'm just really excited for a peaceful day. Today's my last day here in Montana. I'm just looking forward to just getting some nature time, you know? It's gorgeous out here. I tried to kind of go on the opposite direction of the Grand Prismatic Springs because I saw, you know, these little hot springs, but no one was here, and I realized why. You're not allowed in there. So it's okay, it was worth a try. Now I have to go all the way over there if I want to get a close look at these guys. So let's head back over there.